So hello everyone and welcome again to my channel. So today I gave a wash to my car Nissan Magnite. So I was polishing my car, so I just thought of making a video of it. So I already covered the polish on the bonnet. So I'm using 3M liquid wax and a piece of foam and a microfiber cloth to buff it off. So whenever you are using this kind of liquid wax, always just shake the bottle first and apply it on a piece of foam and then just apply it in a circular motion like this. I have already applied on this part of the car. I will still show you and covered every panel. And whenever you are polishing your car, make sure you do it under the shade like this. Apply it on a piece of foam and rub it in a circular motion. Cover the whole car, every panel. I have already done this part. I forget to switch on the video in the first part. You can apply this polish everywhere like this, here also, on the mirrors, on the every panel. Always do it on the under the shade. Never do it in the sunlight. I don't have any covered space, so I waited for the evening. I washed my car in the morning. So I will try to show you the whole process. Just apply the polish on the whole car first. Just keep putting it on the phone and just rub it in the circular motion. Foam is the best applicator. You can also use a microfiber, but still foam is better for the application of the polish, and microfiber for buffing it off. So friend, as I have shown you the application of the polish in the previous part of the video, so now you can see I have covered the whole car with the polish with a piece of foam in a circular motion. So I waited for around 5 to 10 minutes. Now everything is hazy now. I hope you can see the haziness in the polish. It is drying up. I can feel the powdery stuff on my finger. I hope you can see. It is all getting powdery now. Can you see? It's all getting hazy. Haziness is a sign that it means it is now ready for buffing. So the polish is all buffy, all hazy now. It means it is dried up. My kid is jumping around. So now I will buff it off with this microfiber cloth. So I will again put the camera on my head and start buffing it. So let's start buffing. It's a clean microfiber cloth, though it looks dirty, but it is clean. I have washed it recently. Just start buffing it. Buffing is easy. Just go in a circular motion. Just wipe off the polish. So friends, I have done with polishing and buffing my car. So these are the products which I have used. I have used this 3M liquid premium wax polish, this old piece of foam which was clean, and this microfiber cloth. This came in a kit of this 3M pack. So this polish you can use it on every painted part. On the plastic, I advise you not to apply it, because if you don't do it properly, then it might leave haziness on these black plastic parts. If even if that happens, you can clean it with a wet cloth. It is safe. For these parts you can use dashboard polish. I will show you in another video. If you're too concerned about these plastic parts, these matte black plastic parts, you can do it with the dashboard polish. I will show you how to apply the dashboard polish on that in the next video. So let me just give you the view of the whole car after the polish. So I hope you like the video and it will be helpful for you. So this is the polish I've used.